Question number 2 is from Dee Dee on Facebook. And Dee Dee asked, what is the difference between could, would, should, might, can, and must? And thank you so much for your help. Well, you're welcome. And I hope that this answer helps you. So these are all modal verbs. These are a type of verb in English. And let me tell you a quick summary of what all these mean. Can is used to talk about possibility, general truths, asking for permission, and ability. So possibility, we might say something like, I can play guitar, right? Or I'm sorry, that's ability. Possibility, I might ask something like, can you hang out with me this weekend? General truths. You can see the moon at night, right? A general fact. Asking permission. Can I go? Maybe a student would ask something like, can I go to the bathroom? Asking permission. And ability. That's what I meant to say first. I can play guitar. I can surf very well. So this is how we use can. Can is also used. This is not a conditional, and we will talk about that in a moment. So next is may. May is used for possibility, probability, and desire. So for example, possibility and probability, we're talking about what could or might happen. So I could say something like, you may see a shooting star tonight, right? It's possible or it's probable. You may, right? Similar to might. You may, you might. There is a chance, there is a possibility or a probability. We can also use may in a little bit of an not so typical or not normal way, but we do hear it in English, which is to wish someone well or to show a desire. For example, I might say something like, may you have a happy holiday, right? So I have a desire and I'm expressing that desire. May you have a happy holiday. So we can also use may to express desire or give well wishes. Next is should. So should is used for advice and suggestions. So for example, you should do your homework, right? This is some advice. You should do it. Or suggestions, maybe you're asking, what should I do this weekend? Oh, I think you should go see a movie. So should is used for advice and suggestions. Could can be used to talk about possibility in the past, polite requests, conditional sentences, and abilities. So let's first take a look at polite requests. Possibility in the past and conditional sentences we'll talk about in a moment, and we'll talk about it more in a future question. So a polite request. We can use can to ask for permission or for a request. Can I, can you, hey, can you get that pencil for me? But if we want to be more polite, we would start with could. Could you get that pencil for me? So we can use it to make a polite request. We also use could for conditionals and talking about possibilities in the past. So a conditional would be something like, if I could travel anywhere, I would go to Spain. So could. And also ability, or I'll say possibility also in the present. Maybe you ask, what could I do? Well, you could do this. Or he could play basketball very well when he was young. So we use could in all of these many, many ways. Next, let's take a look at might. So might we use to talk about any possibilities in the past, present, or future. He might have done something in the past. He might do something now, or he might do something in the future. Might and may are similar, and again mean that there is a small chance, maybe 50% chance of something happening if we use it in that way. I may go see my friend, or I might go see my friend. Similar meaning. Next is would. So would is also a conditional, and we're going to talk about conditionals very soon. We can use would to ask for permission or make polite requests, just like we can with could. So I would say for politeness, normal sentence, maybe asking a friend, can you get a pencil for me? Maybe low, formal, not rude, but not very polite. Could you get the pencil for me? A little more polite. Would you please get the pencil for me? Very polite. So we can use would to ask very politely how to do something, for someone to do something, or in conditional sentences. So in that same example, if I could travel anywhere, I would. So we can use it to talk about a possibility, that a conditional possibility, something not real, right? I would do this. Maybe something we're imagining. If I was in this situation, I would do this. So we'll talk about that soon. And your last word was must. Must means have to. And this is used to say something is very important, necessary, or urgent. So it's not you should, right? This is also often used for very strong advice. So you should do your homework. Just a small suggestion. You must do your homework means you have to. No choice. You must do it. So to give a command, or it is important for you to do something, you must. So this is a quick little chart showing different ways we use these modals.